Maraming salamat sa iyo, PJM. Ang pinakamahusay po nating DJ ng 12. Ayan po. Dahil lang po kay PJM, yung aking garden di pa nawawalis. Didilim na. Ang aking garden dami pang dumi. Si Silip lang sumabit pa, Diyos ko. Wow, minsan ko na nakikita si PJM, yung pala andyan naman. Diyos me. Ayan, kakanta ulit ng isa. Ay, bakit ito? Andali. Mali. Ayan po. Oo, bruha, marami pang araw. Baka si Santi, ako ng amo ko. While she lays sleeping, stay up late at night and play my song. And sometimes all the nights can be so long. And it's good when I finally make it home. All alone while she lays sleeping. Try to get undressed without light, and quietly she says, "How was your night?" And I come to her and say, "It was alright," and I hold her tight, and she don't listen me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little son. I was wrong, but she has faith in me. And so I go and try and faithfully. And who knows, maybe on some special night, if my son is right, I will find a way, while she lays waiting. Stumble to the kitchen for a walk behind. Teka muna. Swing my old guitar into the night. Just waiting for me like a secret friend. And there's no end while she fumble with the melody of it. Then I'm torn between the things that I should do. Then she says to wake her up when I'm through. Darling, that is true. And she believes in me. I'll never know just what she sees in me. I told her someday if she was my girl, I could change the world with my little son. I was wrong, but she has faith in me. And so I go and try and faithfully. And who knows, maybe a special night, if my son is right, I will find a way. What she left. Ayan po. Dami kong salamat sa inyong lahat po, mga Silver Plus. Back po sa ating DJ na walang iba po kundi ang ating gwapong. Teka muna, i-introduce ko pong mabuti itong DJ natin at namiss po ito at namiss ko lahat ng 12. Ang ating pong walang kupas na DJ ng 12, kundi po ang gwapong-gwapo pong si PJM. Ayan po. Oo, Rome,
kita mo andyan, oh. Kita mo ang aking garden, di pa nawawalis dahil nga sa pagkakasabit ko na naman. Baba na po ako, ayan po.